Morning, everyone. Doing a little morning walk around the truck before we do the pre-trip and get ready to go. Today, we're heading from Meta, Missouri to Franklin, Kentucky, picking up pet food today. Be a little heavy, be fun. Let's get on the road. We're on the road. 54 West, heading for Meta, Missouri, Diamond Pet Food Distributor. Beautiful morning. 50 degrees, sun shining, not a cloud in the sky. Good day to be trucking. Loaded up. Took us a little bit of time to get loaded. Every shipper has a different way that they want to do things. So, just like yesterday, I'm in a rush, so you guys didn't get to go out there with me. Basically, this was a preloaded trailer, so I had to go over to their other yard. First, had to drop my empty trailer in a door. Then go over to their yard that was across the street, hook up to this trailer, then take the trailer down the street and scale it. Record the numbers, come back to the office, and get my bills. So that's where we are. We've been on the road for almost an hour and a half. We're going to stop here in about 35 miles, 40 miles, something like that. Run the truck over a CAT scale to make sure that it's legit. And use the restroom to get back on the road. Got about a 6-hour drive left. Taking Interstate 44 east up through St. Louis, across Illinois, and then we jump off it and head south into Kentucky. Was it Franklin, Kentucky, maybe? I can't remember which town we're going to. But that's the game plan. Hopefully, if everything goes exactly right, we'll be able to drop this trailer, pick up an empty, and head over to our next shipper and shut down there, so that we don't have to run any clock to get to our shipper. That's the plan. That's the hope. We'll see if it works out. I'm not counting on it, but I'm hoping for it. All right. Just stopped to scale the truck. Had to move the project tandems a little. The drive axle is a little heavy. So we're gonna go use the restroom, get back on the road. Checking our slides, our tandem slides, make sure it's locked in place. Everything's good. So I'll wait for this guy. We'll get out of here. We're on Interstate 64 East. About 22 miles east of St. Louis. Passed by the St. Louis Cardinals Stadium, the Arch, and crossed over the Mississippi River. Back into Illinois. About 5 miles. We're going to pull into the Loves. I'm going to grab a shower, get some food, because where we're stopping tonight, there won't be a shower, and I'd like a shower. So that's what we're going to do. We have about 4.5 hours remaining on the trip. We got 6.5 hours of drive time left. So we should be able to drop this trailer tonight and get over to our next pickup. And hopefully it's a preloaded trailer and we can either get it tonight or get it in the morning first thing. Because otherwise I think we have to wait until like noon tomorrow. And I'd rather not do that. I'm supposed to be home Saturday, which today is Wednesday. It would be nice to deliver that load, take it from Kentucky back over to Missouri, deliver that load, and get hooked up for load that heads south. It delivers in Texas, down in Houston on like Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. It's a ways out. I think I might have talked about this earlier, but I can't remember. Hopefully, what would be cool is if they let me drop the trailer at our terminal and then just give me a load when I come back to work on, I think it'll be Monday when I come back. Give me another load, because otherwise I got to sit on this load until whenever it drops, Tuesday or Wednesday. I mean, I can do it, but I'd rather not. Make more money if the wheels are turned. So, down to our last few, probably hour of daylight. Sorry, I got distracted. That's going to be a nice rest area when that's done. Interstate 64 East still. We got through Illinois. We're in Indiana now. About 25 miles. We're gonna jog south. My next load was canceled because they said I was running late for it. I disagree. I'm pretty sure it didn't pick up until tomorrow at noon. I have the receipts. I'll be able to tell if I was wrong or not. And either way, today before the end of the video, I'll show you whether I was right or wrong. some place to shut down. I got 4.5 hours left on my clock for driving for today. So that's where we're at. Guys, we're done for the day. We did 499 miles. I was actually mistaken about which load got canceled. It wasn't my next one. It was the next one, the following load that would get me back to Texas. There should be no way that I wouldn't have made that. So I'm not real happy about that, but hopefully it gets straightened out. We did get good news that the next load, the load that I'm waiting on now, is a preloaded trailer. So I'm gonna shut down, let my clock reset, and as soon as my clock is reset, I'm gonna call and find out if my trailer's ready. If it is, get on the road. We're going from Bowling Green, Kentucky to St. James, Missouri. It's 6 hours and 27 minutes, but we got to stop for fuel, traffic, and everything. So it'll be about 7 hours. So hopefully we can get back on time. That's about it for today. It was rushing again. We don't have to rush tomorrow, but I want to get home. It's been 2 weeks out on the road, so I'm ready to be home. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to eat some food, edit some videos, get one out, and get some sleep. So thanks for riding along today. See you tomorrow.